What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MVIS for Microvision Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, it's been a while since we've talked about this one on the channel, so we're going to start with a fresh daily roadmap, if you will, just coming in and pointing out the most obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame session. So that's kind of what I'm seeing, at least for now, in terms of relevant price action around us. But the reason I'm leaving the chart zoomed out is to sort of illustrate this kind of aggressive downtrend. If we come in with a resistance trend line, do something like this, what you'll notice is that's kind of right where we landed on today's session. Of course, here's your anchor. Here's touch 1, touch 2. So again, that's sort of in play here. Now, could a trend change be underway? Maybe, right? So if we focus over on the 30-minute now, this is how trends change, right? They always start on a smaller time frame. And if you look at this as a set of lows, this is a new set of lows. This certainly held as a higher set of lows on today's session. Now it's all about, can we get a higher high? So breaking out above this kind of neckline. You could even start to look at this as sort of an inverted head and shoulders type pattern where your neckline is this horizontal level close to about $7.32. As of right now, for tomorrow's session, it could coincide very nicely with that resistance trend line for a break and then to take us higher, right? That would be a trend change from the 30-minute perspective carrying forward to a breakout on the daily to potentially take us back closer to $8 and let's just call it 60 cents for round number's sake. This prior shelf of support from in here, support from in here as well. So that's really what I'm seeing to the upside. What else is there to this trade? Well, potentially if it breaks and then retests, right? Be on the lookout for hammer candles that print, indecision doji candles that print, things that make you question whether or not that will hold on the retest, flip long over the highs, or more conservatively over the high that was set here for continuation into that $8.57-ish mark here inside of Microvision. That's the upside trade here. If all of this does end up breaking out on tomorrow's session, we would love to see that happen as well on good volume down below. So just to give you an idea of what good volume would mean, I would say it should be, sustained 30-minute bars with more than 500,000 shares going through. Again, that's per 30-minute bar, not overall on the day. So watch out for that. To the downside, if we do not get the breakout on tomorrow's session, I would really just watch out to maintain this set of higher lows. And that number is going to be right around 7, the nice psychological round number. And it's also structural, right, from the lows of this morning's session. So any consolidation that happens in here does, keep the potential trend reversal in play. Any breakdowns under 7 likely puts us, or continues to keep us in the downtrend, ultimately looking for rollover underneath 650 to come into the lows here and then potentially make a new lower low. Basically, just trend continuation from the daily perspective. So that's what I'm thinking about here inside of Microvision. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.